The chart says one thing, the CF4 says another. Now, there is zero evidence to support the escalated diagnosis. Ito yung problema. Okay? So, how will you discover this? You will discover this if you, okay, pre-screen the claim. Pre-screen means bago nyo ipadala, basahin ninyo. Okay? So, bago sa masterclass ko, tinuturo din ho namin yan. Sa masterclass ko, kahit yung checklist ni PhilHealth, binibigay ko ho. Okay? There's no reason for the hospital not to earn millions. Kasi ho, binigay na lahat. So, manufacturing diagnosis, they don't happen sa mga kliyente ko. Kasi mortal sin din ho ito. Okay? So, I'll go back to the slide. So, next is management does not match the severity. This is where the diagnosis is a critical condition, but the actual management is benign. Okay? So, sinabi, stroke with severe sepsis declared. However, hindi naman pinasok sa ICU. Okay? Pagtingin mo sa management, kulang yung mga gamot. Okay? Hindi nga na-order yung mga gamot. So, magdududa ho sila. And of course, the upcoding, this is similar doon sa upcasing. Okay? Yung namimili na lang ng ICD code para lalaki yung reimbursement. Okay? So, that's number 25. Now, question. Yung 1 up to 25, more or less, naintindihan ba ninyo? Type yes kung more or less nakuha ninyo yung konsepto. Type no kung hindi ninyo nakuha. Okay. We have yes, and we have yes. Okay? Maraming salamat. Now, to proceed. Hindi pa ho tayo tapos, ha? I'll go back to the slide. Ito ngayon. What are the consequences? Now, from the 1 to 25, and hopefully you get to understand it, kung hindi ho kasi ninyo ma-manage or ma-control yan, there will be a financial exposure on your end. If you operate a hospital, if you manage, if you're the officer, if you're the medical director, okay, if you own a hospital, ito yan, you'll have repeated denials, meron kang mga return. So because of that, you'll have a cash flow problem. So kung may cash flow problem ka, it's an operational problem na. And there's detection of the pattern.